right, welcome everyone to the Core Dev calls for Gnosis of July 30. For Shutter specifically, there is no updates as per the Telegram group. So let's move on to testing. Marcos, maybe Dmitro, Line. Yeah, any updates?
Yeah, hello. During last week, we had a good progress regarding EST test. So I have created a first simple test that pass against the Go Ethereum Gnosis client. Yeah, this is just beginning, and currently I am working on fixing the rest of EST test. And when Anders will went from his vacation, we also will check how to fix, how to run the test against Nethermind. Yeah, that's it.
So that is already done, the fix to run the tests against Nethermind, right? Or
No, we need to clean up chain spec, remove some pre-merge accounts. Yeah, and then it should work against Nethermind as well. But now it works only with gas.
got it. All right, so yeah, maybe someone else wants to chime in on testing. Okay, then let's move on to general client updates. Nethermind.
Hello. So yeah, we released 132.3 some time ago, but recently we noticed that there is some significant drop of our kind of market share on Ethereum. So we noticed that there is huge drop of Nethermind nodes being discovered on the network. And this week we had a call with Gav to discuss if they know what's going on, if they have an idea. And we figured out that Gav changed one thing about discovery, which before wasn't kind of exposed. And right now with the recent changes, it is much more important to do. So yeah, we will be releasing 132.4 likely today. With some fixes around peering and some additional peering improvements. This is not like anything harmful. It's more about discovery with newest Geth nodes. Yeah, and aside of that, we are working on 133 version, which is having quite a few of some regressions which we need to tackle before making a release candidate. So working heavily on that. And yeah, except of that, as usual, focus on upcoming forks of Fusak. Yeah, as I mentioned, yeah, this will be fix for Geth changes. I would say more adjustment, but which is exposing some of our issue, and some additional changes which will improve the peering in general.
All right, sounds good. Aragon?
Hi, so we're improving the 3.1 quality. There seems to be some snapshot-related issues. We're still looking into it. We don't want to release without absolutely making sure everything works and there is no issue with the snapshots. Aside from that, of course, we continue to make progress on DevNets for Fusaka. One thing to note is I was made aware of this issue related to importing JSON config. I suspect there might be some changes or not, depending on if there was any recent change to how config is created for the DevNet. Marcos was looking into it, and he's reported that and Carlos as well, some config works with Nethermind and not with Aragon, I suspect. If that is the case, then we might need to look if there is any inconsistencies in the way config is specified and the way clients interpret it. Bear in mind that we have ethconfig API, which will be coming out for Fusaka to address this kind of an issue. But so far, to my mind, I think it's an issue from the config file itself, and I don't think there is a client discrepancy.
All right, thank you. Guess, but I don't think Yum is here. No. Then Reth.
Yes. So the Gnosis primitives repo that we had last week, I updated that to be feature complete. So now it supports compatibility for database writes and like a better RLPT serializer. So I'm using this particular Gnosis header in the Reth Gnosis, the main repo, and it finally compiles now. So that's good news. But it doesn't run like with RLPs downloaded from peers. I mean, it has state mismatch issues, which is most probably because of how we are handling the difference in header types, essentially. So I'm trying to debug that. Once this is done, like once we can sync from peers using the custom headers instead of the Alloy header, I'll move on to the Era imports and stuff, which ideally should not take long, but yeah, the devil's in the details, but that's where I am.
So just to be clear, this should allow, like, once you fix this, we should be able to sync Reth pre-merge, right?
No. We will be able to sync Reth with the new header format, and the new header format allows both pre and post-merge headers, but Reth does not have pre-merge execution. So you cannot sync pre-merge from peers. You have to backfill it using Era.
All right. Perfect. For Fusaka specifically, on the DevNet side, maybe any updates?
Yes, we are in the pinpoint of the config issues with Somnat, with the Erigon mismatch with the Genesis block hash between Erigon and Nethermind. And we started looking at the DevNet tree config. And as well, we started looking at how to properly test that the changes on the Fusaka fork has been applied to Gnosis. So yeah, that's all.
I'm not sure I understand that last part. So basically just testing Fusaka features on the DevNet, or what does that mean?
Yeah, basically that, yeah. And also you didn't put it there, we started looking at Fusaka DevNet tree.
All right, sounds good. Anything else to add? Perfect. Let's keep it at that then. Thanks for joining, and see you next week.
Thank you, guys.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Everyone,
Bye.
have a great day. Bye.
Bye.